अमेरिका नासा NSSISDC सम्मेलन 2024 में श्री चैतन्या स्कूल ने मचाया धूम। श्री चैतन्या स्कूल के अकादमिक डायरेक्टर श्रीमती सीमा जी ने कहा कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अमेरिका के नासा के निर्देशन में NSS के द्वारा चलाए गए ISDC सम्मेलन में दुनिया के चारों ओर से करीब 30 देशों के सैकड़ों छात्र उपस्थित हुए। उनमें 167 छात्र श्री चैतन्या स्कूल के ही हैं। विशेष बात यह है कि दुनिया के किसी भी विद्या संस्था के इतने सारे छात्र इस सम्मेलन में चयनित नहीं हुए। हाल ही में आयोजित अमेरिका के नासा के निर्देशन में NSS के द्वारा चलाए गए स्पेस सेटलमेंट कॉन्टेस्ट में सिर्फ भारत से ही 28,000 छात्र शामिल हुए, लेकिन एकमात्र श्री चैतन्या से ही अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर 639 छात्रों ने भाग लिया। उनमें विनिंग प्रोजेक्ट जीतकर क्रमशः 11वीं बार दुनिया में 9.1 विश्व चैंपियन के रूप में खड़ा है। श्रीमती सीमा श्री चैतन्या के अकादमिक डायरेक्टर ने कहा कि इन 62 विनिंग प्रोजेक्ट में वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट प्राइज 7 प्रोजेक्टों को, वर्ल्ड सेकंड प्राइज 11 प्रोजेक्टों को, वर्ल्ड थर्ड प्राइज 15 प्रोजेक्टों को और 29 प्रोजेक्टों को ऑनरेबल मेंशंस मिला है। इस संदर्भ में उन्होंने प्रत्येक रूप से प्रेस मीट आयोजित कर छात्रों को बधाई दी। श्री चैतन्या स्कूल से उत्तर भारत के 90 छात्र इस सम्मेलन में भाग लिया।
I'm Seema Bhavana. I'm director of Sri Chaitanya Education Institutions. Started out in Andhra in Telangana. Now we are present in 19 different states.
आपके बच्चे अभी स्कूल के बच्चे नासा गए थे, किस तरह से ख्याल आया आपको यहाँ पे लेके जाने का?
We've been doing this for last 13 years. So what happens is every year NSS, like its National Space Society, is backed by NASA. They call for projects. These projects are based on space living. So as we all know, Earth will be uninhabitable soon, and there's overcrowd, there's overpopulation. So NASA is finding different ways and different avenues where we can live. And as part of this, there's so much budget being spent. There's billions and billions of dollars going into this research. So as part of that, they want to involve young minds and brilliant students to see if they have any other better ideas. So as part of that, space living is one of the ideas. So they call for projects where it's possible to live in space and it should be self-sustainable. As you know, it's impossible to find oxygen or carbon dioxide or water or any plants or living beings in space. So how do we provide that in space without being dependent on Earth for everything? So these kind of projects they call for every year. And out of that projects, they select a certain number of projects and they invite the students to the second level. The second level would be ISDC conference, which happens in the US every year. ISDC is International Development Space Conference. International Space Development Conference. So every year students attend that conference. For example, this year 28,000 students from India applied to this conference, out of which only a few hundred were able to go to this conference. And 167 students out of these few hundreds are from Sri Chaitanya, out of which 90 students belong to North India. So 90 of these 167 that went from Sri Chaitanya belong to North India. But when we first submitted the projects, about 62 projects got selected from Sri Chaitanya itself, and out of which 9 projects are world's first winning projects, and 11 are world's second winning projects, and 15 are world's third winning projects. So there's maximum contribution from Sri Chaitanya, and once when they reach the conference, they normally typically tend to interact with a lot of eminent people, lot of astronauts, lot of researchers, lot of the space development project programmers and all of that. So it's very inspirational for the students, and they're super self-confident, and that's why they were able to get there.
रोल नाम बताइए बेटा अपने।
मेरा नाम हर्षदीप कौर है।
हाँ जी हर्षदीप, आप नासा गए थे, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या कुछ सीखा आपने?
It was really very great experience. We got opportunity to meet our astronauts, which was really a great success for us. And our principal, naam Dr. Inderjit Kaur, she has really supported us a lot. So firstly, I would like to thank her for this success. She is very much responsible for our this success, and we get much of knowledge like about astronauts, about space. It was really great experience, and it will also help me that I can choose my future goal. That's it.
अभी आप नासा होकर आए हैं,
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला हमारे स्कूल श्री चैतन्या की वजह से। हम बहुत ग्रेटफुल है अपने स्कूल के लिए कि हमें इतनी एज में इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस और नासा की लेबॉरेटरी देखने को मिली।
क्या कुछ